Making your own pie crust is easier than you think, trust me.
First, start with cold butter. I like to stick mine in the freezer for about 10 minutes before making my pie crust. Next is to use a food processor. This will help combine all of the ingredients super easily. And here's a secret ingredient. I like to use vodka or buttermilk to really get that crust flaky and tender. After you make the pie dough, you can roll it into a disc.
Okay, plastic wrap. Not my favorite, but the easiest way to make sure your pie gets wrapped well. And just dump it out. Form this into one big lumpy disc.
And this is so it's easier to roll out once it's chill. And then don't forget to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Once you're ready to roll out your dough, don't forget to put it on a well-floured surface and to also flour your rolling pin. When the dough is rolled out, place your pan on top of the dough upside down, and then you'll easily know how much you need. You can cut around the edges, and then you can also flute your crust. I like to use a pastry brush to kind of get all that excess flour off. And then don't forget to chill your dough while it's in the pan before you put the filling in. This is to help the pie crust retain its shape. Follow these tips and you will achieve the flakiest, most delicious pie crust.